Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Christine Mwangi and this is Dress Fashion. If you've not joined this channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Today we are going to be making mocktails. I'm going to be making a Shirley Temple and also a banana orange frostbite. We have the Grenadine syrup, the lemon lime soda. We have the ice stones and the ice. We have the maraschino cherries for garnishing. We have the jigger and the glass which we're going to be using. The modern recipe is grenadine syrup, which is 1 oz, and then you add lemon lime soda, over a glass full of ice. So, and garnish it with the maraschino cherries. So I'm not going to do a lot of ice. Today we're not going to use ginger ale. Plain. Taste before you serve. And we have our Shirley Temple. Turn on the microphone, so I'm going to do a voiceover. Our next drink, mocktail, we're going to make a banana orange frostbite smoothie. We're going to use 2 frozen bananas, which are going to put in the blender. After that, you're going to put in the orange juice. I'll make sure I put every ingredient and then I blend. I add ice in glass. Pour the drink, the Frostbite glass. Taste before serving. I garnish and put in the spoon. And that's. And here you have your banana orange frostbite and your Shirley Temple. That marks the end of our video today. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up icon down below, and also if you've not joined the family, hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.